engaging with those community organizations, and as you're figuring out how you want to get into these communities and really understand them, like not just you can show up, but like being present. So being engaged in a really meaningful way with the organizations that you're partnering with and engaging with that client base. I think a lot of us who are professionals, maybe we come from various backgrounds, but like you get away from that and you're now out in the suburbs, or you're, in that part of town. And so it's like coming back into those communities and really being in them and being a part of that experience. And then not having that philanthropy side be separate from the business. So have your philanthropy arm, but integrate that into the business side so that the people making the business decisions really understand as best that they can what's going on in communities that they may not be actively living in every day.
Definitely. That's a really good point.